So Donald, at the Singapore Fintech Festival, there are a lot of discussion regarding scaling AI responsibly, right? So, and across financial institute, of course, with agentic AI introducing new risks. So how does OCBC manage this?
So obviously OCBC takes responsible AI very, very seriously. What we've done is we've built a central guardrails engine, which we've integrated with our LLM cluster.
Right.
And so we've effectively built a catalog of pre-approved Gen AI guardrails.
Okay.
And examples would be things like prompt injection detection, hallucination detection, inappropriate speech, personally identifiable information. I think what's smart is we've deployed these as a central service. So anyone in OCBC that's building a generative AI application automatically gets access to the guardrails catalog.
Okay.
And so you're able, when you're deploying your application, to pick and choose the guardrails that are most appropriate for your application without having to rebuild everything from scratch.
Right.
And so that allows us to build these applications very quickly, but at the same time, make sure that trust is baked in.
Right. I'm sure there's always this trade-off between the speed of getting out to the market, at the same time, the governance that is controlling the trusted AI within the bank, and to make sure that it's responsible AI deploying to the users.
Yeah, absolutely. We're a bank.
Right.
We're in a highly regulated environment, so we need to make sure that when AI is done, it's deployed in a very trustworthy, robust manner.
Right.
And the centralized guardrail engine is one of the ways that we achieve that.
Fantastic. So that's reassuring. So Donald, so let's talk about how you monitor these models, right? Especially when these models are generating complex output.
Okay, so observability is key to building trust in generative AI. And I think it's an area that's really come a long way in a very short period of time. These models are no longer the black box that they were 2 years ago.
Right.
At OCBC, we use tools like Arise Phoenix to understand how people are using our Gen AI applications and what kind of outputs they're producing. So observability really helps us in two areas. Firstly, it helps us understand the quality of the output from the models. So how much are users using the applications? What kind of prompts are they putting in? And then how are the models responding? And in real time, we're able to see, is the quality of the response from the model degrading over time? We can then do troubleshooting and understand, what's causing the degradation in the model quality, and we can basically fine tune the prompts to fix it.
Okay.
The second area where observability helps us is really about the kind of user experience and reliability of these applications. And so a lot of these applications today are starting to support more critical processes across OCBC. We need to make sure that they're actually responding very quickly to the user demands. And at the same time, a lot of our applications are using shared infrastructure at the back, shared GPUs, for example.
Right.
So we need to understand, is there any bottlenecks, any issues with throughput and latency in the GPUs, which again, observability helps us manage. So we can then optimize the queues so that the most important application are getting the resources they need to deliver a great experience to our users.
Great. Thanks for your explanation.